This is gonna suck. Well, I didn't run out of gas this time.
Merry Christmas to me, baby.
Fuck. I have no... Oh shit. My fucking bike is losing power. Fucking A. What the fuck? Whoa. What the fuck? Fuck. Oh, did I kill switch myself? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is going on? Shit, shit, shit. Cannot fucking... Fuck. Fucking A. Take it to the freaking shop. My phone is dead. Well, that's just great. Great! I have no way to communicate. This is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Well, I didn't run out of gas this time. Screen went blank. Lost power. Ugh, dude. Come on, baby. Start up for me. Let's see if we can roll this sucker. Oh shit, it's gonna do it again. Sucks ass. Maybe buying new is a good idea. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? Somebody else is broken down too. Oh, goodness. Oh, someone gonna help? Oh, fuck. For some reason, it just stops running after I start it.
You can put it in the truck and I'll drive you to the station.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Maybe we'll probably stick it in the trailer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome, man.
In the back of my truck. Awesome.
Yeah,
cool, man.
Be a pain in the ass to get in the back of your
Yeah, I was like, if you guys could lift it, but...
Yeah. Okay, cool, man. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you for stopping.
She's kind of cute too.
Yeah.
That fucking sucks. You're walking and stopping.
Yeah. Yeah, it does suck.
We're gonna walk all the way up there.
Yeah, it would be a sucky night. I've run out of gas before. That sucked. But this is worse. Oh man. Definitely appreciate you guys stopping. I have no idea what they're saying, but seems like they're getting the job done good. Oh man, I don't know what I would have done if they didn't stop, man. I'm very, very thankful. Nice. Bueno.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah, yeah.